सो हेलो नमस्कार टू द ऑल डॉक्टर्स एंड इंजीनियर्स एंड केमिस्ट्री लवर्स। मैं विजय कुमार सोनी आपका हार्दिक स्वागत करता हूं रिगार्डिंग टू जस्ट केमिस्ट्री वाला चैनल एज पर जस्ट फॉर द केमिस्ट्री। प्रीवियस वीडियोस में हम लोग बहुत सारी बात कर चुके हैं रिगार्डिंग टू हेलोअल्केन एंड हेलोअरीन। नाउ आई वुड लाइक टू गो with the physical properties of haloalkane. It's a very important. It will be a lot of conceptual question regarding to this. So this is the first of all we'll go with the physical physical properties of haloalkane Rx. Now we know very well what is the mean of Rx and what is the mean of ARX. So if we'll go with the just physical properties of haloalkane, then first of all we'll go with the physical state. If we'll go with the physical state, then C1 to C2 means one carbon or two carbon wale haloalkane. Just C3 to 18, C18, and C18 to above means 19 or above. These members are just gases, just liquid, and you can say solid with the just sweet smell or you can say pleasant smell. Why there is the variation? It is due to increase in molecular mass, strength of van der Waal forces increases. That's why it will be changed gas to liquid to solid. Now I would like to go with the just solubility. This is the very important question, solubility. If you will go with the solubility of haloalkane, just they are polar in nature, we have discussed, but they are immiscible in water. Why? It's a question also regarding to just NCERT class 12th. Even, yeah, just you can say though, even alkyl halide are polar, but they are insoluble in water. Why? Because these are not capable to form H bonding with water, or you can say these cannot dissociate H bonding of water. बिकॉज ऑफ वाटर में डिजोल्व होने के लिए वाटर के मॉलिक्यूल्स के बीच में एच बॉन्डिंग ऑफ वाटर जो प्रेजेंट है उसको डिसोसिएट करना और उसके बाद में उसके साथ में एच बॉन्डिंग का फॉर्मेशन करना जरूरी है. सो पोलर नेचर होते हुए भी हेलोअल्केन वाटर में इनसॉल्युबल है. नाउ आई वुड लाइक टू गो विद द थर्ड प्रॉपर्टी. इट्स टू इंपॉर्टेंट, दैट इज द बीपी. हियर बीपी इज नॉट ब्लड प्रेशर, इट्स अ बॉइलिंग पॉइंट. दिस इज द बॉइलिंग पॉइंट. If we will go with the conceptual question, then as we know that just haloalkane are polar in nature, so you will say due to polar nature like this Rx, while this is the alkane. Alkane is a non-polar and haloalkane is polar in nature, partial charge. So due to polar nature, we have discussed between the molecule of haloalkane like this, it will dipole interaction force like this, del plus and del minus. Here will presence of dipole interaction force. This is the dipole action force. And due to having the dipole-dipole interaction force, here will association of molecule as compared to alkane, association of molecules. So due to association of molecule, there will require large energy to dissociate the association as compared to alkane. So that's why these exist high value of boiling point than their alkane also. So what we can say that due to presence of strong bonding, strong bonding, then alkane, haloalkane exists, haloalkane exists higher boiling point than their alkane, than their alkane, and the reason is polar nature and presence of dipole-dipole interaction. So this is the sequence of BP. This is for alkane and this is for haloalkane. These exist high value of BP. This is the first question. The reason is in front of you. This is the underline also. Strong bonding, and the name of strong bonding is dipole-dipole interaction force. That's why these exist high value of boiling point. Now I would like to go with the just further on increasing just on increasing molecular mass, on increasing molecular mass, just as we all know, strength of van der Waals forces also increases. We have discussed over here. So strength of van der Waals forces, van der Waals forces increases. This is the increases. That's why if there are just there is same alkyl group with the different halogen, then the sequence of boiling point will be, this is the RF, this is the RCl, this is the RBr, and this is the RI. So here will increase in boiling point. This is the another question. It was the first question. This is the another question, and the region is in front of you on the screen. Read the matter properly, otherwise it will be a greater mistake by you. Now for the different alkyl groups, what will be the sequence regarding to boiling point? What will be, that is as follows. So here we'll take just important thing, that is on increasing, as we have discussed, on increasing molecular mass, strength of van der Waals forces also increases. So if there is the sequence of BP for different halides having the same halogen atom CH3Cl, CH3CH2Cl, this is the CH3CH2CH2Cl, then the sequence of BP will be increases because of molar mass also increases. There is another question, what is that for isomeric? It's a very important. So we'll take over here for isomeric alkyl halide, as you can say isomers, the sequence will be just a boiling point will inversely proportional to number of side chain. If number of side chain increases, then boiling point decreases because of surface area also decreases. So you can say surface area decreases. That's why if we'll go with the different alkyl halide as a primary, secondary and tertiary, this is the boiling point. For the primary, this is the RCH2X. For the secondary, RCH, R and X. And for the tertiary, RCR and R and X. This is the 1 degree of primary alkyl halide. Alkyl halide. This is for the 2 degree alkyl halide. 2 degree alkyl halide. And this is the 3 degree alkyl halide or tertiary alkyl halide. So here is the more branch. So due to increasing number of branch, just boiling point decreases. So the sequence will be 1, 2 and 3 decreases. This was about the just different questions regarding to just boiling point. Now I would like to go with the further on increasing number of halogen atom, molar mass also increases, resultant you can say boiling point, this is the boiling point also increases. So if we'll go with the BP, then here's the most important question: CH3Cl 1 halogen, CH2Cl2 2 halogen, CHCl3 3 halogen, CCl4 4 halogen. So the sequence of BP will be as follows. So these are the important questions. I'm going to just star mark them. First question is your this one, polar nature. Second is your, you can say this one. Third is your this one. Fourth is your for isomer. And fifth is your just you can say on increasing number of halogen atom. So this was the entire part for the boiling point. Read the matter properly. Now the time to discuss about the density, fourth property. This is the very important property. After then we'll go with the stability. After then we'll go with the inflammability. So this is the fourth property. And it's too important. If you are not taking seriously, then it will be a blunder mistake by you for a near future examination. And ये आपको पर्टिकुलर धीरे 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 आपको इसके अलोंग ऑर्गेनिक केमिस्ट्री के अलोंग आपको वीक बनाती जाएगी और ऑर्गेनिक केमिस्ट्री आपको एक पहाड़ सा लगने लग जाएगा. सो दिस इज द फोर्थ प्रॉपर्टी. व्हाट इज दैट? डेंसिटी. Density D is equals to M upon V. If we'll go with the density, then you can say here is RF, RCl, RBr, and this is the RI. Here is just increase in, you can take the CS3 also. If you want to go with the particular example, then you can take CS3Cl. This is the CS3Br and this is the CS3I. You can take both, either alkyl group or iodide. You can see the atomic mass of just your halogen atom is increasing. So M is increasing. while V, volume size, is also increasing. So due to increase in M and V, it will increase in density. So the sequence of density will be as follows. This was regarding to density. Now I would like to go with the fifth property, that is your stability. Stability. If we will go with the stability, then on increasing size of halogen atom, just you can say stability of haloalkane haloalkane decreases. That's why अगर आपने पर्टिकुलर एल्काइल आयोडाइड को लाइट में खुला छोड़ दिया, then it will change in alkane with the removal of I2, and due to removal of I2, here will violet just vapors also, violet vapors की फॉर्म में I2 का फॉर्मेशन करके और alkane में कन्वर्ट हो जाएगा. This was the just stability. Now I would like to go with the sixth property, inflammability. Inflammability. अगर बात करें पर्टिकुलर, तो एल्काइल हैलाइड जो होते हैं पर्टिकुलर आर इनफ्लेमेबल, मीन्स कंबस्टिबल नहीं होते, आग नहीं पकड़ते हैं. सो एल्काइल हैलाइड्स आर इनफ्लेमेबल in nature. On increasing number of halogen atom, inflammability just you can say decreases. That's why we can say CCl4 exists 4 halogen atom, CHCl3 exists 3 halogen atom. So we can take the sequence also. This is the CH3Cl, this is the CH2Cl2, this is the CHCl3, this is the CCl4. If we'll go with the inflammability, then on increasing number of halogen, just inflammability decreases. So this is the sequence of inflammability. That's why CCl4 is known as, its commercial name is pyrene. Its commercial name is pyrene, carbon tetrachloride. It is used as fire extinguisher. फायर एक्सटिंग्विशर की फॉर्म में यूज करते हैं. बट एटम मोमेंट जैसे आपने इसका यूज किया उस जगह पर नहीं जाना चाहिए जहां CCl4 का यूज किया फायर एक्सटिंग्विशर की फॉर्म में. व्हाई? दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. बिकॉज ऑफ CCl4 को जब आपने यूज किया तो नो डाउट उस सराउंडिंग एटमोस्फेयर में मॉइस्चर रही होगी और टेम्परेचर यू कैन से 500 डिग्री सेल्सियस अबव रहा होगा. So here will formation of COCl2. This is the COCl2 and removal of 2 of HCl. This is called as carbonyl chloride, or you can call it phosgene gas. This is the phosgene gas, and this gas is toxic in nature. That's why toxic means पर्टिकुलर इसका जो कार्बन मोनोऑक्साइड है, जैसे ही वो पर्सन उस जगह जाएगा तो उसके हीमोग्लोबिन में डिजोल्व होकर के पर्टिकुलर फर्स्ट पोजीशन में लो कंसंट्रेशन पे इरिटेशन क्रिएट करेगी. और अगर क्योंकि यहां बनेगा आपके पास में कार्बोक्सी हीमोग्लोबिन विच इज 300 times stable than the oxyhemoglobin. So it will be irritation, and after then on increasing concentration of carboxyhemoglobin, just it will be death of the person. That's why we should not go at a moment where CCl4 carbon tetrachloride or pyrene is used as a fire extinguisher. So This was about the physical properties of haloalkane. We'll meet in the next video with the new topic as a physical properties of haloarine, and after then we'll go with the chemical properties. टिल देन आप लोग पुराने इस मटेरियल को रिवाइज कर लें, अच्छे से स्ट्रॉन्ग कर लें, बिकॉज ऑफ आफ्टर स्टार्टिंग द जस्ट केमिकल प्रॉपर्टीज इट विल बी अ greater load on you. So be with me, but I'll give you with the simplest language. Trust me. Thank you. Shukriya.